আমি অনলাইনে একটা ভিডিও রেকর্ডিং দিয়েছি। একটি ছেলে পরিযায়ী শ্রমিক, আমি প্রথমে বাংলায় একটু বলে নি, পরে ইংলিশে বলছি। ফার্স্ট আই এম টেলিং ইন স্পিকিং ইন বেঙ্গলি, দেন আই মাস্ট টেল ইউ ইন ইংলিশ। তো ও পরিযায়ী শ্রমিক, ও এসেছে বাইরে থেকে, তো এসে কোভিড পজিটিভ হয়েছে। তো আমার একটা ছাত্র তাকে ও চলে যাবে, গিয়ে হসপিটালে নিয়ে যাবে, কল্যাণীতেই, আমার এই কল্যাণীতেই নিয়ে এসেছে, কিন্তু ওকে কার্বোভ্যাক্স সিএম বানিয়ে দিয়েছে। তো লাভটা এই হয়েছে যে 3 দিনের মধ্যে নেগেটিভ হয়ে আবার বাড়ি চলে গেল। তাহলে এই যে 14 দিনের যে কোয়ারেন্টাইনের কথা বলা হচ্ছে, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমার কার্বোভ্যাক্স কতখানি সফল? 5 ভাগের 1 ভাগ সময়ের মধ্যে একটা মানুষ, মানে কোভিড পজিটিভ মানুষ ঠিক হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তাহলে তো সুস্থ মানুষকে কোয়ারেন্টাইনে রেখে যে খরচা হচ্ছে তার কোনো দরকার নেই। এই ঘটনা, এটা চোখ খুলে দেওয়ার পক্ষে যথেষ্ট যে যা কিছু ঘটছে সবকিছুই কিন্তু হচ্ছে আমাদের কর্মকর্তাদের অদূরদর্শিতার জন্য, মানে যেখানে কিছু করবার সুযোগ ছিল তাকে সুযোগ না দেওয়ার জন্য। এই কথা যেমন ঠিক, অন্যদিকে এটাও ঠিক, আমরা হয়তো সেভাবে তাদেরকে প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারিনি কি আমরা পারি আর কি আমরা পারি না। তো যখন গিয়ে তাহলে আমরা এবার নিশ্চয়ই প্রমাণ করে দেবো যে আমরা কি পারি। যা আদার প্যাথি, ইনক্লুডিং ক্লাসিক্যাল হোমিওপ্যাথি, আদার প্যাথি কারোর কাছে যেটা নেই সেটা আমাদের কাছে আছে, এবং তার সায়েন্টিফিক বৈজ্ঞানিক ভিত্তি আছে, সেইটা সহ আমরা প্রেজেন্ট করবো পৃথিবীর কাছে আগামী দিনে। সেটা আজকের একটা ঘটনা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, জানা খুব জরুরি, ওটাও অনলাইনে ছিল। আমি সেখানে একটা কথা ছিল, আমি সবাইকে একটা প্রশ্ন করব। অনলাইনে ছিল যে 1986 সালে, আমি পরে ইংলিশে বলছি, 1986 সালে বোস্টনে, আমেরিকার বোস্টনে একটা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করা হয়েছিল। কি করা হয়েছিল? একটা মানুষকে দেওয়া হয়েছিল,
পাকিস্তানের বন্ধু আছে আমাদের সঙ্গে,
আমি বাংলায় বলবো, ইংরেজিতেই বলবো, আই মাস্ট স্পিক ইন ইংলিশ। আমি শুধু বাঙালিদের কাছে একটা প্রশ্ন রেখে দেয়, এই প্রশ্নের উত্তরটা আমি ইংলিশে বলার পরে নেবো। সেটা হলো, যখন ওরা ফাঁসির কথা শোনানো হলো, এরপরে বিজ্ঞানীরা ওর উপরে এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে চাইলেন যে না, আমরা ওর উপর এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করবো, আমাদেরকে অনুমতি দেওয়া হোক। গভর্নমেন্ট এবং কারা কর্তৃপক্ষ অনুমতি দিলে তাকে বলা হলো যে তোমার মৃত্যুদণ্ড কার্যকর করা হবে ফাঁসিতে নয়, বিষাক্ত সাপের দংশন। যথারীতি ঠিক সময়ে হাত পা বেঁধে দেওয়া হলো চেয়ারের সঙ্গে, চোখটা পট্টি বেঁধে দেওয়া হলো। বেঁধে দেওয়ার পর তাকে কোবরা ভাবে পরিবর্তে 2টো পিন ফুটিয়ে দেওয়া হলো। কয়েক সেকেন্ডের মধ্যে কি হলো না, তোমার বলা হলো যে ওর শরীরে সাপের বিষ আছে, কিন্তু সাপের বিষ ছিল না, সাপকে কামড়ায়নি, সাপের বিষ ছিল। প্রশ্ন করা হলো, আমি ইংলিশে ধীরে ধীরে বলবো, বাংলাটা তাড়াতাড়ি বলেনি, আসল কথাটা বলবো এবার। সে হলো, সাপ কামড়ায়নি, তবু সাপের বিষ এলো কোথা থেকে? তো বলা হলো, বিজ্ঞানীরা বললেন যে ওর মধ্যে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এসেছিল যে ওকে সাপের বিষ দিয়ে মারা হবে, ওর রক্তে সাপের বিষ এসেছে। তাহলে আমরা যদি পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং করি তাহলে আমাদের কোনো রোগ ভোগ হবে না। আমি পৃথিবীর বিজ্ঞানীদের সঙ্গে একমত নই, একদম একমত নই। আমার গবেষণা থেকে আমি বলতে পারি যে এই কথাটা অবৈজ্ঞানিক। আমি বলবো আমার করোনা হবে না, আমার করোনা হবে না। আমি বলবো আমার করোনা হবে, আমার করোনা হবে। আমি প্রথম দিন বলেছিলাম সাইকোলজিক্যাল কোভিড। কথা হলো, আমি ভাববো কি করে যে আমার করোনা হবে না? আমি আমার গবেষণায় এটা প্রমাণ করেছি। সেটা হলো, আমি পজিটিভ চিন্তা করব না নেগেটিভ চিন্তা করব, এটা ডিপেন্ড করে আমার সিকনেসের উপরে। সিকনেস মানে হলো প্রেজেন্স অফ 6 ট্রু ডিজিজেস। এই 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি আমার মধ্যে রিসেসিভ থাকে তাহলে আমার মধ্যে পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং আসবে। 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি প্রিডমিনেন্ট হয় আমার মধ্যে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং আসবে। তাহলে ট্রিটমেন্ট কিসের জন্য দরকার? আমি ফিজিক্যালি অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ মেন্টালি, মানে হলো 6 ট্রু ডিজিজকে কি করা না, তাকে রিসেসিভ করে দেওয়া। আমার কাছে একটা মানুষ দৌড়ে এসেছে, তাকেও বাঁচান কেন না, আমার বাড়ির চারদিকে কোভিড করোনা ভাইরাস রোগী, আমাকে বাঁচান। কি করা হলো, তাকে কার্বোভেজ দেওয়া হলো সিএম। 24 ঘন্টা পরে ফোন করে জানা হলো যে বাড়ির চারপাশে কোভিড এর কি অবস্থা। উনি বলেন আমি কালকে রাতে ভালো ঘুমিয়েছি, বাড়ির পাশের বাড়ির লোকের কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে আমার দেখার দরকার না, আমি অনেকদিন পর কালকে ঘুমিয়েছি। কার্বোভেজ সিএম তাকে ঘুম পাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, মানে হলো তার মধ্যে থাকা ট্রু ডিজিজ গুলিকে, প্রিডমিনেন্ট ট্রু ডিজিজ গুলিকে, যার জন্য সে ছুটে এসেছিল, তাকে রিসেসিভ করে দিল। এই রিসেসিভ হওয়ার ফলে সে এখন কোভিড আতঙ্ক থেকে মুক্ত হয়েছে। তাহলে এই যে বলা হলো পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং, নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এর কথা, এই আইডিয়াটা ভেগ। পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং কখন আসবে? একটা মানুষের মধ্যে থাকা 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি রিসেসিভ হয়। ঠিক আছে, আর বাংলা আমি কিছু বলছি না, আমি ইংলিশে যাচ্ছি, অনেকে অপেক্ষা করছে বাঙালি। There is a story, not a story. It was happened in 1986, Boston in America. A very wonderful and interesting experiment was done by the scientists, and accused was sentenced to death for serious wrongdoings and crimes. And that very accused was sentenced to death by hanging. At that time, some scientists suggested a test on the accused. With the permission of government and prison authority, the convicted was heard that he would be executed by cobra bites instead of hanging. On the appointed day, the prisoner's hands and feet were tied and was put in a chair and blindfolded. Instead of cobra snake bite, 2 safety pins were put on his body and was tied within a net. Next question is, from where this snake venom was there in the body of the accused? Actually, there is no satisfactory answer. Only scientists are telling we negative thought or negative thinking are produced by that very hormones and enzymes are produced from negative thinking, and that very negative thinking is the source, and that source, there was the snake venom, the poisonous snake venom, the poison like body materials are produced, and that very, with that very poison, nobody can think according to his wish. By this way, patients sometimes tell that, yes, doctor, when I am is nearby you, in your chamber, I feel very courageous. That time I am very much courageous, no anxious inside me, no terrified state in my mind. But when immediately after going home, that very negative thoughts, that very terrified state, that very anxiety reappear. I can't understand how it happened. What magic you are doing with me or everybody. As because when we are with you, no anxiety, nothing, no fear, nothing. But immediately after leaving you, all these negative thoughts come back. But from my study, from my research work, I have invented the mystery. What it is? The mystery is nothing. This is science. Everybody of the human race come to the world with 6 true diseases according to Mr. Hahnemann, according to Mr. James Taylor Keynes.
Sir, this is Amit. Sir, this is Amit. I want one clarification on this subject from you. May I?
What? Please.
The story which, not story actually, this is a real story actually, which you explain, just explained right now. I think there is one indication in the last para of that story that scientist made one poison that is the same effect of the cobra, but that is produced from the blood vessels or blood cells from that very much body. That means our own body can produce one kind of poison, the same power of the cobra, which kill ourselves. That is what actually last para wants to tell, the story that US scientist team has made that kind of poison from that patient's body.
How it is possible?
Yeah, that I want to explain. That I want your explanation through your observation. That is it possible to make the poison from the body?
Yeah. When we are attacked with any disease, maybe infectious, may not be infectious, with the signs and symptoms of all the disease, so-called disease, not true disease, infectious or non-infectious. The signs and symptoms we see and we observe, if that very sign and symptoms is produced by the poisonous materials, by the harmful product of the body created inside the body.
Right.
Every time you will be astonished after hearing that cancer is the most dangerous till today, as because no medicine can overcome that very situation. What it is, there is no proper cell division, only nuclear division. Why it is? Due to some stimulating agent, and that very stimulating agent is so dangerous that after applying that chemo, means severe poison, it is said that if poisonous snake bite that very person who is taking that very chemotherapy, that poisonous, product, the snake will die, but the man will not die. The individual will not die. So
Yeah.
how after taking that very poison, how that person is living, that is, that poison and that poison, one poison of the body and poison of the chemical, what is given to the individual, the victim, those two poison is neutralizing each other.
Then what is the
Then
answer in our method, sir?
That indicates that our body can make the poison more dangerous than snake venom. And how is this possible? Now this is possible from our negative, from where this negative thinking comes. This will happen, I will die, this world will destroyed with this very atomic war. All this negative thinking always produce very harmful product inside the body. And that very harmful product, from that very harmful product, we become very much diseased. So many symptoms produced like anorexia, sleeplessness, acidity, migraine, high pressure, hypercholesterolemia, hyperglycemia. Everything is produced from that very anxious state, the negative thoughts. So, you please think about this. Any negative thought,
I mean, sir,
can instantly produce the poisonous product. How is this possible? See, someone inside you, on that very moment, if you are not healthy, not that sense, perfectly healthy, according to real homeopathy, when you are not healthy, that very insulting word may create inside you the hypertension, the blood pressure may suddenly, instantly. Migraine may started instantly. Many things can happen that day after hearing that very insulting word. Within few seconds, no time will be needed. Within few seconds after hearing insulting word, all these things happen. And it is repeatedly going on with you, then after that, even cancer may go, even cancer may start after this continuous humiliation, continuous insulting. Then you think, what can our body can make all these poisonous products after negative thinking, after adverse effects?
So the negative thinking is the main
Product
reason of
no,
cancer.
see, negative thing is the product of predominant 6 diseased individual.
So is it, sir?
Otherwise,
What
those very person, see, those very person are having predominant 6 true diseases. Their body can start, their vital force may be disturbed, deranged, disordered in a very short time. It may be within a few seconds even. After
Sir, how
that,
will prevent? Sir, how will we prevent that thing through our real homeopathy?
yeah, we can prevent, as because with real homeopathy we can we can make recessive to the predominant 6 diseases. By this, negative thought instantly change to the positive. That is after where it is indicated, after taking the dose, all the thoughts may be disappear. Not maybe, must be by this way, the immunity.
So we can add this last stage of cancer we can add this.
Yeah, we can prevent even cancerous complication even. And when, like COVID, even when a person comes with cancer, we must help with this really. It may be for hypertension, it may be for hypercholesteremia, it may be for hyperglycemia. In each and all, every cases, the main thing is the healthy vital force. Healthy vital force. Where there is healthy vital force means that very individual is treated with a real homeopathy for being a recessive 6-2 disease from predominant state. In every case, when we are having predominant 6-2 disease, one or more than one, there must be negative thinking. There must be negative thinking. Where there is no predominant state of true diseases, there will be no negative thinking. But this someone is thinking very positively. Someone is believing that I have no fear, I am not in anxious state due to COVID, as well I am healthy. I am doing a hard exercise. I am doing pranayam. I am doing everything and everything. I am maintaining a very much healthy criteria. So, no COVID will not attack me. No COVID will attack me. Suddenly, he heard that one of his friends is tested positive for COVID-19. And that very friend came to this friend's house. Within few seconds, after hearing this COVID positive case of his friend, panic will start. Yeah, that very friend came to my house and we were few hours in a place and we also touched everybody with each other. So, what can I do? I must also do the job. Before hearing this word, tasted negative of his friend, he was very much healthy. When exactly? Nothing was there. But see, within a few seconds, after hearing the friend's condition, the negative thinking started. Why it was? As because the person was healthy superficially, not internally. Means that the individual never treated with real homeopathy. That very individual was treated with maybe classical homeopathy, maybe allopathy, maybe ayurvedic, maybe Unani, as because all the therapeutic system, excluding real homeopathy, treating the individual superficially for the symptom, not for the real homeopathy. Sorry, not for the true diseases. Am I clear? Again I am telling, those who are demand that they are very much healthy, no unhealthy state. আমি কি সুইচ দিচ্ছি 10টার পরে কথা বলবো then what I can repeat a little bit, that is, when a person treated otherwise, not with real homeopathy, means that all those individuals is treated this way, means they are treated regarding their superficial symptom, that is for suffering only. They are never treated why this suffering is there. It means the cause of suffering. Why they are suffering from different problems, not considering this point. All the therapeutic system is considered the symptom, the suffering, and with this they are prescribed medicine. Only real homeopathy consider the origin of this very suffering. They never require this very symptom. Location, position, sensation, modality, concomitant, desire, aversion, nothing is needed. No breath is needed. Yes, no blood report is not needed, but report is needed for knowing what is the situation, but not for the treatment. Pathological report is not needed for the treatment. It is needed only for the diagnosis what type of patient is treated with a real homeopath. I think this is clear. So now I can believe all the negative thinking come from predominant true diseases. All the positive thinking come from excessive true diseases. Predominant 6 true diseases is possible only with the treatment of, only with the help of the treatment of real homeopathy, as we call it. In real homeopathy, no individual is treated depending on the suffering, depending on the symptoms, depending on the pathological reports. Right? Each and every individual is treated for the origin of the today's suffering, today's adverse situation, today's sign and symptoms, today's pathological report. So, that if we supply water to the root of the tree, if we give water or water the tree at the root, that very water must reach east and every leaves east and every
এগুলা পরে যেটা পেয়ে আসবে না
Then what Kate has told very valuable, most authentic regarding the, which is very much helpful for inventing this very real homeopathy. What it is? It is very enthusiastic. What it is? Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease. Means when a patient comes with any suffering, if medicine is given by anybody, patient immediately feel comfort. Patient immediately feel comfort. But what is going to happen in future? Kate has told, prescribing for the result of the disease that will be suffering ABCD causes changes in the result of the disease, means everything will be okay, but not in the sickness. What this sickness means? This sickness means predominant state of 1 to 6 through disease. 1 to 6 through disease. Am I clear? 1 to 6 through diseases. This very part is never mentioned. Even not Glenn Kane, not Master Henry. They told this very thing. Prescribing for the result of the disease, causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. But what sickness means? Everybody should know. Those who are related with therapeutic science, what sickness means? Sickness means predominant state of 1 or more than 1. Six diseases. Okay? So then what it is? Now prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. It is hurry its progress, but hurry is not prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. Why? As treatment is done, treatment is given only for the suffering, not from the origin. That is true disease. That is why all the true diseases become complex and complex and complex. And in future, that very treatment throw to the complicated disease solution. So, someone is having complicated state, means maybe cancer, may not be cancer, maybe COVID, may not be COVID, means it may be infectious or non-infectious. It's the responsible physician, yes, only the physician is responsible for this very complicated state, who has given treatment for the superficial suffering and given comfort to the individual. At that time, the individual is very much satisfied with doctor. Even the patient, pray to the God, please save my physician for treating me. Today I have given online one thing. Have you seen or not? Very purposeful, so I am telling. Healthy baby is born. I have told you in the beginning. Healthy baby is born. Mom takes him to doctor. Doctor gives him vaccines. Child develops ear infection, and other issues. Doctor prescribes antibiotics and Tylenol. I don't know what is Tylenol. Child continues to develop infection and illness. Continues to develop. Doctor prescribes more antibiotics and Tylenol. Child develops food allergy and eczema. Doctor gives him more vaccines. Child develops asthma and ADHD. Doctor prescribes steroids and Ditalin. Mom thanks doctor for helping her child. That is why I always told what is all the complicated situation for an individual. The physician is responsible for the superficial idea, for treating the suffering only, for treating the painful suffering. Only pain is doing the suffering humanity. Today, COVID is before giving medicine, you have to take the case properly. Today you may give Sarvaved, as I have told many times, but you must be very alert that that very individual is of having any pathophysical medicine or not. See, for example, some individual, some patient, someone is having hydrophobia as pathophysical indicated. To that very patient, if you give Carbovacium as preventive medicine, that Carbovacium must produce harmful effect instantly. So, before giving anybody Carbovacium as preventive, you must be confirm yourself that there is no pathophysiological indication of any medicine. Again, I also told, if you know the pathophysiological indication, that time also you have to give Carbovacium. If there is any adverse situation, then you change until and unless after giving Carbovacium there is some adverse symptom, sign and symptom of suffering arising, you must continue Carbovacium. Otherwise, you have to think twice. After Carbovacium, if it is creating problem, if it creates problem, you must give the next one, the pathophysiologically indicated medicine. I think everybody is clear with this thing. Can I go next topics? Because these very things I have told many times, but today's negative thinking and positive thinking I never uttered in my any classes previously. That is why I take very much interest with this very fact.
ভালো লাগছে না এটা।
Fact is very much interesting
ছোটই ভালো গো।
regarding আচ্ছা এদেরকে আনমিউট করে দিন অথবা ব্লক করে দিন, এরা কথা বলছে অথচ আলোচনায় রয়েছে। তাহলে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এবং পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং ইউ শুড নো very clearly, as because sometimes you also think negatively. How? Chamber, today there is no patient. If tomorrow there is, yesterday there is no patient. If tomorrow there will be no patient, what can I do? What will be the children's regarding fooding or tuition fees or everything? By this thinking, no sleep at night, no proper appetite. See what is going on? But if you are healthy in all respect, with the help of the treatment of real homeopathy, that time you must think, okay, maybe 2-3 days may not, the patient may not come. After that, patient must come. And because so many patients treated by me, they are very much healthy now, they are okay in all respect, even COVID patient also. So patient must come. Something wrong is there, that is why 3 days there is no patient. But before that, so many patients it was. But if you are not healthy, you must think that I am thinking patient will not come to me. I have to find out another profession like LIC agencies or another business. I have to seek. See what type of negative thinking from it has come. It has come from predominant through disease. What you are having means you are not treated yourself properly. That is why that very negative thinking created in you so many adverse situations like anorexia, means loss of appetite, sleeplessness at night, hypertension, blood pressure may high, gradually blood sugar may high, and so many problems, even kidney problem, chronic renal failure. It may also happen a tumor has produced, later on it was tested cancer. So origin is what? Origin is negative thinking. So negative thinking is very much important. You please mind it. No, if there is negative thinking in you, any time, any problem may arise, even cancer, even COVID. So you treat yourself, maybe your family member, maybe your patient. So I have arranged previously, I had arranged previously a seminar on consciousness. Actually, negative thinking. What is negative thinking? Another name of negative thinking is consciousness. And what is the name of the positive thinking? Its another name is freedom. There is one chapter I have written in magazine. It is also you can see in the book also, in my magazine also, book also. The chapter is consciousness versus freedom. So one thing you must clear now what it is. It is negative thinking means it is conscious. And Kant very beautifully write in a chapter, disordered fast in vital force. What is written? In organ, aphorism 1, Master Samuel Hahnemann has written, the physicians high and only mission is to restore the sick. In the Aphorism first, organ of medicine. But Kant has uttered like this type of sentence. It is written in the chapter. That is, disorder first in vital force. What he has written? He has written, the physician's only duty is to give the freedom. To give the freedom. What it means? From consciousness, patient will come to you, or you yourself. You are having so many negative thinking that is consciousness, and you have to take medicine yourself, or you have to give your patient, your family members, what medicine you give, you consider that very conscious. And if your medicine is right, your procedure of treatment is right, that very patient must overcome the state of consciousness, and that individual must reach to the state of freedom. So, freedom is free from disease state, consciousness is disease state. Consciousness is from negative things. Freedom is from positive things. So, the procedure of treatment, what will be the procedure? Procedure of treatment will be, you have to select medicine, you have to administer medicine for that very conscious. And we can find out this conscious, the origin of this very conscious. Which produce is responsible? Psoriatic myasthenia, symptomatic myasthenia, psychotic myasthenia, tubercular disease, post-traumatic syndrome, post-traumatic syndrome, all these things. So, let us try with this real homeopathy how we can easily send a conscious individual to the state of freedom, and that is real homeopathy. This very word also can be mentioned that the physician's duty is to, instead of consciousness is from predominant disease state, and instead of freedom is recessive disease state, not free from disease, it is recessive disease state. How it is being recessive? It is by the treatment of real homeopathy. So, this is the way we can proceed with COVID patient, with non-COVID patient, with cancer individual, with anything. But our aim is one. What it is? To reach each and every individual to the, to reach, or better to say, to send the diseased individual, that is conscious individual, to the state of freedom. I think negative thinking, freedom, positive thinking, this new idea, you should think about this after today's class. And it will help you to reach the idea of real homeopathy. This very word also used by the teacher, by the master, themselves the Kant also. So let us try with this very divine idea, which is God gifted. That is the way. I think today it is enough for 1 week to think about this, how we can proceed, how we should proceed. Sir Gautam Babu, by saying this, my followers, all the followers will follow me with this very scientific idea, with that very fact.
Thank you.
Which was the Boston America,
Thank you, sir.
1966. Let's go.